kalat. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Condo with an H. In today's vlog guys, gagawa tayo ng self-watering pot. Am I saying it correctly? Yeah, self-watering pot. So, I've seen it on the internet and then at the same time, I was so curious and then we also have some plants here. So, gagawa tayo nito guys. Ito yung parang paso na hindi mo na kailangan dilig-diligan. Especially if you're gonna travel or you're not staying at home. Since naka-quarantine tayo at home guys, so hindi tayo makalabas all the time, it's much better if we can grow our own food. So hindi naman all the vegetables at saka fruits unless you have a big backyard at saka meron kang space guys. So ayun lang naman. In today's vlog, I'll be doing this guys. So hopefully mag-work siya. Sa video ito, this is just the part 1 wherein I'm assembling this. So, i-assemble muna natin siya and then I will give an update video kung nag-work ba siya, gumana ba siya, or nalanta lang. I'm just gonna show you what I've used. Gumamit ako nito guys, yung sa drinking water. So, ayan, mineral water. So, I think this one is like 6.6, yeah, 6.6 liters. Ayan. I already cut it into this kind of thing. So, ganito yung itsura nung una. Tapos, kinat ko na siya. Naglagay din ako ng butas dito for the onion, guys. So, 4 lang para hindi overcrowded. And then, meron ding maliliit na small, what do you call this? Small holes here. So, maliliit na butas. At saka dito rin. Kung saan natin ilalagay yung mga yarns. And then, I have some scissors at saka mga ganito. You have to be careful guys using those sharp objects. Ganito siya. Hahatiin mo lang siya and ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Yan. So we're gonna start with the plants. Ito guys, ito yung mga tirang onion chives na binili ko pa nun. Hopefully magsusurvive siya. And then we also have this one. This is a thyme guys. So I bought it from SM Ora Supermarket. As well with this basil. Yung basil medyo parang nagde-dry na siya. Hopefully mag-survive siya. Wala kasi akong balcony dito guys, but if you're living inside of a condominium tapos you have a nice balcony tapos naaarawan siya, it's definitely a good thing. So I would definitely recommend it as well, especially kung mahilig ka sa mga herbs at saka mga onion chives, mga ganyan. Ito guys, nakuha ko lang to sa map. Yung pag nagmamap, so pwede rin to. Or you can also use some yarn or basta yung nag-absorb ng water. So, ayan. Ilagay mo lang siya. Siyempre, bubutasin mo. Yung pambutas, guys, pwede nyo gamitin na pambutas, guys, is kung may lighter kayo or kandila, initan nyo yung kutsilyo or something na metal na matulis. Tapos, pagka mainit na itutusok-tusok mo lang dito para mabutas yung plastic. Kasi babalik mo lang siya, guys. You'll just have to put it here. Yeah. Nga pala guys, disclaimer lang, I'm not an expert when it comes to planting or gardening. So, ito is mostly DIY at saka at the same time, this is my first time doing it inside of a condominium because we used to have like a small gardens nung nasa Aparipa ako sa province. So, especially from my lola before, yung bahay nila. So, here, this is just a small space. I don't have an area where I can put a lot of plants. So, mag-experiment tayo. So, hopefully gumana siya, guys. I think this is a garden soil. I ordered it online. I have a garden soil here. Yung market kasi, guys, is sarado. Meron yung parang bilihan doon ng mga halaman at saka plants. At saka at the same time, they also sell like loam soil ba yun or loam soil? At saka garden soil sa SM or sa may supermarket. However, a lot of people already bought it, so wala ka nang mabili. I was planning to buy some rosemary at saka mint, pero wala nang available yung ganitong plant. This one only costs like 85 pesos, so you may wanna check like your supermarket. Normally sa mga SM supermarket to available guys, pero sa market at saka sa Rustans, I've checked before, wala sila nilang ganito eh. I don't know, parang I'm not just sure. Baka depende rin sa brand. So, meron lang akong pantakal dito, guys. So, i-ano ko muna to, guys. Ilalawit ko para hindi siya yung sobrang para ikakalat ko siya. So, the first one is the garden soil. This is pure garden soil. Nag-order lang ako online, guys. Like, I saw it on Facebook. You can check sa marketplace. Oh my God, ang Alikabok. You can check it sa my marketplace ng Facebook. Ayan. Then they also gave me a free, I think this one is like an organic fertilizer. Ano bang tawag dito? Vermicast. I think yung wormcast is basically like the black gold na tinatawag nila. So, ito yung parang pag decompose na yung, I don't know, yung mga nadidecompose tapos kinakain ng worm, am I saying it correctly? Tapos yung tae or yung poop ng worm, ng earthworm, so ito yon, yung mga tinatae nila parang black stuff, meron daw ganito, 90%. So, ito yung parang magiging fertilizer, which is a good thing. Picture. Ayan, so pataas siya guys. Pataas yung gagawin. Oh shoot. Akala ko papalpak kasi kulang yung soil. So ayun, gumana naman siya guys. Ito yung itsura nito guys. Tapos yung isa naman is ganito. Hopefully buti nagkasya siya. Lagyan ko muna nito, vermicast. Lagyan pa natin nito. Guys, nagdikdik din ako nung egg, so don't throw it. Pwede rin pala siyang fertilizer. Yung shell egg, or yung shell ng egg, rather. So, ayan. Pag nag-boil or pag nagluto kayo, pwede rin pala siyang fertilizer. Ayan. Try natin lagyan. Ano ba to? So, kutkutin na lang natin. Lagay ko yung... Comment down below guys kung nagawa nyo na rin to. This is my first time doing it at home sa condo. So, let's see kung gagana siya. Ang kalat. Okay, so hindi ko na siya mamaya ko na siya lilinisin guys, pero here it is. So, medyo makalat lang, be ready on that. So, first time ko kasi, so I was overwhelmed a little bit kasi akala ko hindi magkakasya yung soil na nabinili ko. And then, definitely, I think maganda yung mga ganitong size lang guys. Yung sobrang laki kasi nito, baka i-transfer ko rin to. Yung ginamit nating parang wool or yung parang tali, sisipsipin nun yung water sa baba. That's why it was called self-water pot. So, ayan. Ito guys, pwede mong tanggalin to and then you can put water here. Especially if you're traveling abroad or whatnot. Pag matagaling travel mo, tas walang magbubuhos or mag-water ng plants, then definitely you can do that. This is just an experiment guys. I've seen it online and on the other website. So, we're gonna find out kung gagana nga ba siya. And then, ito nagtira pa rin ako nung sa time. Pero nag-plants din ako dito. So, hopefully, we'll see guys. Tumubo siya. Lalo yung basil. I'm kind of worried kasi medyo nag-brown yung ibang leaves niya. Pero hopefully, tumubo siya. Yung tsura. So ayan guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog and if you already tried this kind of thing sa mga bahay-bahay nyo, comment down below ano yung mga tips and advices nyo. Again guys, I'm not an expert or I'm not a gardener. So try lang to guys and hopefully it's gonna work. I'm crossing my finger. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-click yung notification bell so that you will be updated on my next upload. I will definitely be uploading a separate vlog, like update kung nabuhay ba tong mga halaman, ano yung nabuhay at ano yung namatay. So, thanks for watching guys. Ingat!